Super quick and super tasty custard. This really is the best custard you will ever make and taste, and it's all done in under 5 minutes. I don't like things overly sweet, and this is just perfect. So you'll need 300 ml of double cream, 150 ml of milk, then pop this on the hob, and you'll want it on a medium temperature. And while that's heating, you'll want 2 egg yolks, and 30 grams of sugar. I use granulated sugar. Give this a good mix. And then add 2 tablespoons of cornflour. And stir until all is combined. And then add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can add more if you wish, if you really love vanilla. But I find half it just tastes so good. Okay, and with the milk, you're looking for steam to come off it. Then you know it's warm enough to start combining it. So while stirring, start pouring in slowly the milk and cream mixture. Just do little bits at a time. You don't need all of the mixture, but just enough to get things moving without scrambling the eggs. And then once that's done, you then pour that mix back into the remaining cream and milk mixture while stirring. And from this point, it really doesn't take long for that to start thickening. You'll be surprised just how quick it is. So keep whisking until you get your desired thickness. This is where I gave it a little taste test just to make sure there's enough sugar and the amount of vanilla is just right, and it was perfect. There you can see it's already starting to thicken. It was as quick as that. There we go, and that's done. A really tasty, quick custard.